Hello, my friends. Just a quick video to let you know that I want you to get in on a special deal. The first 24 hours or until sold out of a brand new month, we always have a collection of extra items that coordinate with our Stamp and Die Hard Club, but they're at an extra special price. Not only are they at the everyday low price, but they're on flash sale price, but they're on the full collection price if you get all of the items and you get your club discount. So what are the items this month? They are the Sweet Summer Hats #2 stamps and dies. Also the words, the Sweet Summer Hats sentiments, and the awesome background die. If you have not seen the samples on this, you better go get them and check them out soon. And last but not least, the stencil set. You can get all of these items as a one-time purchase, everything together at an extra special collection price. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Once this collection, this full collection is gone, it's gone forever at that extra special price. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.